Alright, today we're going to change the starter on the Mercedes-Benz S550 2007 W221. First thing you need to start doing is take out the negative wire from the starter battery, and it's going to be a size 10. And do the negative side so you don't short anything out. So once you take out the wire that connects to the negative, you end up getting the wire, wrapping it in a blanket so it doesn't touch any other metal connections, and then it starts. Next step will be to take down these bolts from the bottom. They're 8s. So these ones are 8s. 8 millimeters. Also, that is not my music. Okay, this is the left side of the vehicle. Going under. So there's going to be 1 screw, 2 screw. Where's the other one? 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on the bottom plate. For these, there's going to be 1. From that side of the tire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, I believe, over here. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11. So now we're going to take this off. You press down, push, pull. Alright, press down on this one. Okay, this piece you press down, this piece you pull it backwards, and as you're pressing down and pulling backwards, you're pulling this down. Be careful, you could break it. I already broke it a little bit on this side. That's over. Now we took that piece off. There's gonna be a couple more screws. 1, 2. Oh, sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's just gonna come down. All right. What size is it? Let me see if it's the same size. Fuck. Yep, same size as before. For these back ones, that's gonna be a 8 millimeter. Yeah, don't got a wrench. You gotta make use of it. I just took out the panel. So now, once you take off this panel, you're able to see the sway bar. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, whatever, you get the point. Alright. Alright. Now I'm going to get under and remove the sway bar. That's what they said that you have to do in order for you to take out the starter. Wear gloves. Also, I started this around 12ish. Now it's let's see, it's 1221. Okay. So once you take off those 4 screws, this just drops down. Now that it's dropped down, just move it out of your way. I've seen other videos where they say they have to remove the sway bar. I need to find the sway bar. Okay, I need to find the starter too. Okay. I see see the starter. Oh no, you can't see the starter. You can't see the starter. Okay, so the starter is going to be located on the right side. Right here. Follow this. And that right there is going to be the starter. And you just sway bar how to move it. YouTube. Okay, let me see. I hope I don't have to take this off. So I believe that it was a 14 millimeter in order for you to remove the sway bar bolt, but in reality it was a T14. So I had to go to O'Reilly's and actually buy a T14. And this is me putting it on, and it doesn't fit whatsoever. So at this moment I'm freaking out, but I'm like, hey, you could go to O'Reilly's and just get the T14. So I ended up finding out it's a T14 that I needed. T14 right there. I got the adapters that I needed to take out the sway bar and whatever. Alright. Tire, T14. Let's see if it works. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Where's the sway bar? What am I even looking at? What am I looking at? Oh, the sway bar's over there? Okay. Coming down. We locate this piece right here. It's connected to the strut. Bam, bam, bam.